Ready to dive into the world of decentralized finance and seamlessly swap tokens using Uniswap with the convenience of your Coinbase wallet? First, ensure you have the Coinbase Wallet app downloaded and set up on your mobile device or browser extension. Once your wallet is ready, navigate to the Uniswap website in your browser. The official URL is Uniswap. Be cautious of phishing sites. On the Uniswap interface, you'll find a Connect Wallet button. Click it, and a list of available wallets will appear. Select Coinbase Wallet from the options. A prompt from Coinbase Wallet will appear, asking for permission to connect to Uniswap. Review the permissions carefully and click Connect to authorize the connection. Now that your wallet is connected, you can start swapping tokens. Select the token you want to trade from and the token you want to receive using the drop-down menus. Make sure the tokens you select are supported on Uniswap. Enter the amount of the from token you want to trade. Uniswap will automatically calculate the estimated amount of the to token you'll receive, considering the current exchange rate. Before confirming the swap, carefully review the transaction details. Pay close attention to the estimated gas fees, which are network transaction fees, and the slippage tolerance, which is the acceptable difference between the estimated and final swap price. You can adjust the slippage tolerance in the settings if needed. Once you're satisfied with the details, click the swap button. A confirmation prompt will appear in your Coinbase wallet, asking you to approve the transaction. Review the details one last time and click confirm to submit the transaction to the blockchain. After confirming, you'll see a transaction submitted message on Uniswap. You can click the link to view the transaction details on a blockchain explorer like Authorizing can wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain, which may take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed, the swapped tokens will appear in your Coinbase wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully swapped tokens on Uniswap using your Coinbase wallet. Explore the other features of Uniswap, such as adding liquidity to pools, and continue learning about DeFi. Remember to always prioritize security and do your own research before investing in any crypto assets.